Biomes are defined as the world's major communities classified according to the predominant vegetation and characterized by adaptations of organisms to that particular environment. Humans have also impacted the world in its biomes by destroying or polluting ecological habitats. Biomes include freshwater, marine, desert, forest, grassland, tundra, tropical rainforest, and many others. My biome is a grassland, which is dominated by grasses rather than large shrubs or trees. The tall grass aspen parkland covers about 3 million acres of northwestern Minnesota. The climate is that the strong winds blow from the western prairie and yield very little precipitation. Cold winters and hot summers are typical. Due to it being dry and low precipitation in the summers, it experiences some wildfires, which then humans impact the wildfires by putting it down with uh, by using water from firefighters. At your stay uh, at the Tallgrass Aspen Parkland in Minnesota, you will see that all the sorts of beautiful things that Minnesota offers, like trees, plants, animals that include elk, bald eagles, coyotes, and prairie dogs, and also many others. Some abiotic factors is plants like the buffalo grass and the tall grass, and also even rivers. Biotic is animals like a coyote, bald eagle, and a rabbit. And the animals that are in my biome are an elk. The elk population of elk decreased due to hunting from humans, but this was many years that the population was decreasing, and humans have breeded the elk and have kept an eye on the population, which then increased the numbers of the elk. And it's part of the animal kingdom, and they flourish in grasslands, and are in herds. And their diet is that they eat grass. A coyote, it's a kingdom. It's part of the animal kingdom. Its diet is it eats grass, fruit, trash, small rodents like rabbits. And if you take it out of the ecosystem, its prey, which would be like rabbits, the rabbits' population would increase, which then there wouldn't be a lot of food for the rabbits because the rabbits would be eating a lot of the food source, and then which uh, will die. And with diseases would be caused. Another animal is the bald eagle. It's part of the animal kingdom. Its primary diet is fish, eats small prey like rabbits, squirrel, and raccoons. Population was low in years, but is now increasing. And the rabbit is part of the animal kingdom. Diet is grass, fruit, and vegetables. And if you take the rabbit out of the ecosystem, its predator, like the coyote, would have to find other foods. Like it would have to find other small animals. It would be have a low food source, which be very difficult to uh, some of the for some of the coyotes to find the food, in which some of the mother coyotes wouldn't be able to support its family, and some would have to die. Plants that are in my biome is a buffalo grass. Is native to the Great Plains across America and has supported herds of buffalo. Like buffaloes when it herds, like buffaloes in grasslands, and as they herded from places, they would mainly eat buffalo grass. And there's a lot of sunflowers in my biome. And here's the food web, which is the producers, the grass, which then the rabbit and elk eat the grass, and then the rabbit eats I mean, the eagle eats the rabbit, and then the coyote basically eats the elk and the rabbit and can eat the eagle. The grass is the producer, rabbit is the primary consumer, the eagle is a secondary consumer, elk is a primary, and coyote is a tertiary. And also the bald eagle is a third. Food pyramid. Here is just in a food pyramid form. Uh, the grass is the producer, and rabbit it just goes up, and energy is flowed. Like grass is at 100%, and then it just goes down, and yeah. And the human impacts is that there was a lot of decrease in population in animals due to hunting. A lot of people hunt in my biome, and there's a lot of land loss due to farming, and there's a lot of fires. And ways to prevent human impacts from continuing with land loss is to there's like pay them for not to farm at a certain place instead of just grow grass, which is like something like people do now, and having hunting more seasonal, like or like not hunt like endangered animals. That's like not hunt animals. That population is decreasing. Thank you.